have a challenge for you. What is going to happen if I were to break apart this rectangular array into smaller regions, just like we did in our number talk? Is our area going to change? Is our area going to be the same?
Yeah.
All right. If you think so, I want you to prove it to your table. I want you to move your rectangular arrays so we have a 4 by 4 and a 4 by 2. And I want you to prove it first on your table and then prove it in your conversation.
All of this together would be 8 because the 4 plus 4 is 8, and that's a double, so I know that. So all of that is 8, and then 4 times 4 is...
Double.
Yeah, double, because 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 8 is 16.
Okay.
So this all together would be 16, and I know 8 plus 16 because half of 8 is 4, and 4 plus 16 is 20, plus another 4 is 24, and our last area was 24 square inches.
Why is it that the area doesn't change, even when I break it apart? Why is it?
If you put into 2 groups, all you have to do is add both of them together, and it's the same exact answer.
So the area of the 2 separate arrays is the same as the area of the rectangles together.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Ryan, what do you think about that?
I agree with Brennan because all you're doing is splitting it into 2 parts. So if you already have 24, it's going to be the same because it's like if you add both of these together, you're going to get the area of 24.
Does the amount of tiles change?
No,
No.
you're just splitting them in half.
Oh, why would that be an easy strategy? Why would that help someone who doesn't know 6 times 4?
Because if you don't know 6 times 4, you can obviously break it up into different groups.
So what we're learning is that when we have a large array, it can be hard to figure out how many squares are there at one glance, correct? Yeah. Kind of like a number corner. Did you know that was 92? No, we did not. So instead, you could say, I know that 4 and 4 right here, this 4 by 2 array, that's 8. I already know this is 8. So then I just have to figure out this part here.
So like whatever this would be, and then 4 more, and then that would be 20, and then add 4 more.
If we break it into smaller regions and put it back together, does our area change? Still the same area. How you get there is a little bit what? A little bit easier.